Got it. Hey guys, today we're making almond flour banana muffins recipe. They're one of the top 10 recipes on iFoodReal.com, and there is a reason for that, because they do melt in your mouth. They're so pillowy soft and moist, and they're just so delicious. And they're naturally sweetened. There is no maple syrup or honey, not to mention sugar. And they are gluten-free. And they're just so super amazing, and they come together in a blender or in a food processor. Now, I have tried blender, but many of the readers said they used food processor or even the hand mixer, and it worked, so I want to see it for myself. So let's do it. You will need 3 large ripe bananas, yellow with brown spots, and the uglier is the better. And that's how I open bananas. Might be probably not the way the rest of the world does, but works for me. Add bananas to a blender, eggs, vanilla extract, cinnamon, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And process until smooth. Then pause the blender and add almond flour. All there is to almond flour is just processed, ground up, blanched almonds. And process again, just until combined. You will have to pause and scrape the walls just to make the batter smooth consistency. If you're experienced enough with the blender, you can add chocolate chips and give it a few pulses, or you can just add chocolate chips and stir them with the spatula right inside the blender jar. Everything comes together in one blender. There is no need for extra bowls. And I tried the same banana muffins in a food processor, and they came out just fine. The batter had some banana chunks in it, but once I added almond flour, they got more incorporated with the batter, and it came out beautiful. I like to bake muffins in a silicone muffin tin or non-stick muffin tin with baking cups and sprayed with cooking spray. You probably don't have to spray because I really doubt muffins will stick, but to be safe. Then using large ice cream or cookie scoop, divide batter among 12 openings, and you will probably have leftover batter in the blender, so just distribute it using the spatula and your fingers. Be real, be normal, I do it, everyone does it. Then bake at 350 degrees for half an hour. Now let's admire my Christmas socks and warm white slippers for a second. Your muffins are ready when they have golden top, or the toothpick comes out almost clean because they're so moist. And now look at this. Aren't they beautiful? So moist and full of chocolate chips. So I found no difference between food processor and blender versions. Both work, and hand mixer as well. They looked a little bit different, but they tasted the same. All right, muffins are ready. Let's try one. Well, the truth is I already tried one, and another truth is half of them are like half broken for the beauty money shot. But let's try one. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Looks so good. I don't know if you can see. These are so moist. Not overly sweet. Really good. We have it for breakfast. With your tea. Well, I do with tea because I'm European, or with coffee. So good. Good for lunch boxes for kids. Kids love these.
That's good.
What's good?
The chocolate chips.
Chocolate chip?
Mm-hmm.
Anything else good?
The muffin.
The muffin is good?
Yes.
Would you like them for school?
Mm-hmm.
All right. 2 thumbs up. Do 2 thumbs up. Awesome. So that's it. I hope you make my almond flour banana muffins. They're super, super good and super popular. And if you like this video, give the thumbs up below and subscribe to our channel right here. See you next time. Bye.